The next topic is cryptography, which looks at secret messages. So it's kind of a cool topic, and there's many different methods of sending secret messages. So in ancient times, you would just take each letter and shift it to the next letter. So B would become C, R would become S, A would become B, and D would become E. So instead of saying Brad, I would say CSBE. But the person I'm sending this to would know that that means Brad. So this section is actually using matrices to encode secret messages. And this method was state-of-the-art in the late 1920s and early 1930s. So in this process, each letter is assigned its corresponding number in the alphabet. So A is 1, B is 2, and etc. And a blank space is the number 27. So matrix A is the encoding matrix. Matrix B is the matrix that needs to be decoded. And to do this, we need to do A inverse times B. So the directions say decode the following messages. Our encoding matrix for number 1 is 2, 3, 2, 4, and this is our encoded message. So this should actually say something, meaning if we do the math and we get a bunch of letters that don't say anything, then we probably did something wrong. So next I need to make matrix B, and I need to make matrix B have 2 rows in order for this to work. And it needs to have 2 rows because the encoding matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix, and for the matrix multiplication to work out, then B needs to have 2 rows. And I'm going to fill up matrix B with these numbers, and I want to do them column by column. So that is very important. So the first column will be 59, 74, and then the second column will be 72, 78. So you're filling it up column by column, not row by row. So on the calculator, I want to enter in matrix A into matrix A and matrix B into matrix B. And then I'm going to calculate A inverse times B. And this is what I get. These numbers correspond to the letters of my message, and I want to read it column by column. So it's going to be G, O, space, F, O, R, space, I, T, and space. So my secret message is, go for it. Now you'll notice that we had an extra space at the end here. This was really used so that the message would fill up the matrix.